So you've been wondering, hey how did you upload your videos? How do you upload your first gaming video? All right, so here's a little tutorial. This is how I usually upload my gameplay videos. So what you need right now, yes, your PS4, a USB, and a computer or a laptop if you have one. So basically, so what I did is that I used the USB, right, and then I go to one of my gameplay videos. This is the gameplay video that I uploaded, that I recorded recently, and I'm in the process of editing that right now. So basically, what I have to do is that I have to transfer this. I have to transfer the video to my micro USB. So what you want to do is that you want to plug in the USB. As you see, it's glowing, so it'll be recognized. And then what you want to do is that you want to take your recent video, and then press copy to USB storage device, and then select copy, yes, and select OK. And depending on how many gigabytes, how long is the video, it will depend how much longer it will take to copy the whole thing to USB. So right now, the one I recorded today is at around 1.84 gigabytes. So this might take a while longer. So just bear with me on that. So I'll be sure to check you back on that. I'll be sure to check you back later. Alright guys, so it's been 6 minutes and my video is still copied to the USB. So right now I have 11 minutes. So I'll be sure to check back on you guys later. Alright guys, sorry for the long delay. It's just that it's so long. The video is so long to copy. Alright, so now that the video is copied to the USB, so I'm just take the USB out from my console, and then hold on, let me focus right here. Okay, and then what we want to do is that you want to take your USB and then put it in the computer, right? Sorry, it's hard for me to do this with one hand. There we go. Okay. Then what you want to do is that you want to go to your USB, right? Okay, then okay, and then right here, you see, hold on, I'm trying to focus here. You see where it says PS4. You want to click on that, then press share. Damn, I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to get a focus on me. Okay, and then that's the one where I uploaded today. I'll be sure to upload later. So you want to click on the so you're supposed to click on what game recording you want to click on so that you can upload it. So I'm going to upload this. So I'm going to take this clip. Wait. So I'm going to take this clip, and I'm going to copy it to a videos right there. And of course, same process, just like the PS4, except that the computer, my laptop, is a little faster. So I'll be sure to check on you guys later. Okay. All right, guys. Sorry for the long delay. So as you can see, I have my gameplay. I have a gameplay video right here of Uncharted. So what you want to do is that you want to press open. Okay, so press open, and ta-da! You'll be ready to edit your videos, and I'll show you what it looks like. Yes, not only the gameplay video, but also my intro and my outro. Let's see what it looks like. All right, guys. So this took me a while to merge all my clips. So here's what it looks like.
What's going on, gamers? This is Kevin the Gamer.
Yeah, and I'll be sure to get this uploaded tonight.
Uncharted Drake's Fortune.
Overall, so that's how I edit my gaming videos and how I upload them. So don't forget to subscribe for more content. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on social media: Instagram, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So peace out, gamers. Kevin out.